Guys, I don't know how to say this.
We have bad news.
The Skidding Toilet movie, it got canceled.
We got some insider information.
Dang it! I hate everything, but you know,
Luckily, we still got these bad boys.
it's not all bad news today. Because today we have 2 Skidding Toilet mystery boxes. I think I'm gonna open mine first. It's okay, Ethan. We're gonna get through this together. You, me, and our guys. Okay. Here, can you?
Oh yeah, I got you.
Okay.
Hold on. What the heck? What's happening?
Okay, guys.
What? I can increase.
That's not doing anything. Okay.
like it.
Okay, we don't want to lose our fans.
What is it?
No! I got the same one as last time. What is this garbage? I'll give it to Carl.
Yeah. What a loser.
Dang it. Okay, Ethan, you want to open yours? Oh no, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's really okay.
That's what I live for! Okay, I'm ready to open this one. Holy crap. Ow. Alright, I'm opening my Skidding Toilet unboxing.
Wait. I think it's something good.
Wait.
I think I saw a white toilet. Did I see it? What is it?
Oh, no way!
Yes! Let's go. Even the police are involved. Let's go. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you
today,
guys for watching.
We just got a
The
Skidding
Skidding
Toilet figurine. Thank you so much.
Have a very skibbity day.
Yes.
See you all next time. And then we'll cut there.
Yeah.
Oh.